इसने उसे अपना कलम दे दिया।
He lent her his pen. He lent her his pen.
आप इतने सख्त नहीं हैं।
You are not as that tough. You are not as that tough.
मैंने कल अपनी माँ से बात की।
I spoke with my mother yesterday. I spoke with my mother yesterday.
उसे इसकी बातों की सच्चाई पर कोई शक नहीं था।
He didn't doubt the truth of her words. He didn't doubt the truth of her words.
रेडियो स्टेशन जामिद के साथ फट गए।
The radio stations cracked with static. The radio stations cracked with static.
नूडल्स एकदम पक जाएंगे।
The noodles would be cooked in an instant. The noodles would be cooked in an instant.
मैंने मछली को पानी में डाल दिया।
I put the fish into the water. I put the fish into the water.
दुकान तक सवारी आसानी से चली गई।
The ride to the store went smoothly. The ride to the store went smoothly.
पत्थर के गर्द एक हुजूम जुमा हो गया।
A crowd gathered around the stone. A crowd gathered around the stone.
माल सड़क से आगे है।
The mall is up ahead the street. The mall is up ahead the street.